Hey everyone, welcome to another software developer profile review. Today I'm going to be reviewing the profile of Eric, who is a MERN stack developer, if I remember correctly. I think it was MERN stack, and there was some Shopify in there as well. So we'll review that in a moment. As always, a quick reminder, if anyone's interested in not just my courses and books and things like that, which are all here, but you can get a free profile review just like this one by clicking the profile review button here. And also I run a free careers Q&A session every Friday at 3 p.m. UK time, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're interested in talking to me, learning more, come along to those free Q&A sessions on Fridays. I hope to see you there. Right, let's get on with the review. So, at last we have a banner image that tells me exactly what you want to do. MERN stack, wonderful. There's so many things there telling me about MERN stack, telling me you do TypeScript, telling me about GraphQL. Oh, there's so much. Wonderful. Great profile picture. Headline. Now I know you've got all that stuff up in the banner image, but I always like to just, headline is the first thing that people are going to read. So I would say the full stack developer's great. After that, I would be putting more about the tech there. Keep it concise. Like it'd be React, Node, and something else maybe, but React, Node, and TypeScript. But yeah, we're in a good place. You've done enough with the banner, so I would have driven it home there. But good. Get down to the About section, dedicated full stack software developer, leveraging a deep understanding of a broad range of technologies, blah, 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 specializing in JavaScript, TypeScript, React, Next, GraphQL, Vue, Svelte, Shopify development, RESTful APIs with Node, serverless architecture. Oh, AWS. That's what I'd put up in the headline. I'd put Node, React, and AWS. Those are the most common requirements. That's awesome. Contentful, silence integrations, React Native development. This is a great example of putting the value in the first paragraph. Love what you've done here. This is great. I'm immediately thinking, ooh, I want to find more. Versus, oh, this is hard work. I'm just moving on. This is a great example, Eric. You've done wonderfully here. I don't know how much experience you've got yet, but I'm intrigued and I'm excited. We'll come back to the activity. Software developer, so a year there, 4 years there. Obviously, you've got tons of experience. Multiple jobs? Oh, you're doing freelance stuff here. Okay. So, interior system. Okay, so you started kind of here, and we're looking at React, AWS, Lambda stuff, the serverless stuff's coming in. Nice. React Native, this is nice. Good experience. There's a mixture of Vue in there. I don't mind you jumping between front end tech. It's adding to the knowledge. This is all good. Firebase, starting to show good stuff here. Now, the skills sections makes me feel really confident. But you've got years and years of experience here. The freelance stuff, again, we're probably going to take these bits more with, I've got more power, unless you've got proof of what you've been doing on the freelance stuff. But on all of these roles, you need to be including the bullet points. What did you build? What projects were you working on? What was the size of the team? What did you learn? What were the challenges? There's so much value hidden in this, and you're almost doing like the senior developer lazy bit. You're just relying on, I've worked at a bunch of places and there's a bunch of years of experience, therefore it's a no-brainer. Whereas you could be driving this home. This could have been absolutely fabulous if you just listed 3 to 5 bullet points on each of those roles. So now I'm thinking, okay, I think there's a lot of experience, but some of this is freelance, so I need to, and now I'm going back towards the fence a little bit. And I'm like, I want to feel more confident. I want to see more evidence. So let's look at what you're talking about on here. Farmers on navigating unexpected. So recently been laid off. Where can I see talking about tech? Like, what are you doing? So this is a year ago. So I can't see you talking about React and Web3 stuff. Learn some Rust. I wish there was more. I'm not feeling it right now. After a fabulous start, I'm now scratching around trying to find more value, more evidence. So you've got a personal website. Great. Okay, let's go with that. So Eric, software developer, driven by a strong passion. You don't tell them. You could have nailed it here with the exact same stuff from before, like hit them with the tech. This could have been a lot more clear. There's a GitHub there, so I'm going to open that while I'm here. Where next? Projects about me. Okay, so this tells me a little bit more. This could have not been another page. This could have been on the front page. Maybe you could have left the paragraph of text here, or mirrored it, done both, but this value stuff shouldn't have been hidden. So I get to the projects. You've got some projects. So I want to. Did you build this? Were you part of this? What was your role in this? We need more information. That link didn't work. So click through on this. So recruiters are going to get here and go, I'm not looking at code. I am terrified, right? So we'll go back to the actual GitHub. So I didn't need to open that other one before. Now, this could have been more descriptive with the technology you wanted to use. You can get back to LinkedIn. That's great. Look at this. Now, this is a classic example. You're doing all the hard work. You've put so much effort in here. Look at that commit graph. That's fabulous. But we assume you're doing great things. What's happening behind here? What's all this work that's gone in? And you're not doing enough to tell the world about this. So there's a massive missed opportunity here. The pinned repos. You've got 28 repos up here and only 2 of them pinned with no description. So we don't know. We know that's a React one, but nothing more. I mean, all the plethora of skills from your LinkedIn, we're not showcasing it in the same way here. This could have been very easy for you to make it very clear how good you are and how much experience you've got. So I click on the repos list. I can see there's lots of JavaScript, but I don't know which one's a React, which one's a Node, which one's a what. There's no descriptions. You've kind of let it fall flat. I've got that feeling of you could be dynamite. You could be great. I'm thinking if you're really experienced, then you've missed a massive opportunity. If this isn't that great and it's actually just these two really, the full-time work, then you're at that 2-year thing and you're that mid-level gem of a find. But this overview screen could have really driven it home, and all the projects you've done, you could have done so much on your activity on LinkedIn and using just your GitHub to really drive it home and made more of that front page on your personal website. I just feel like there's a huge missed opportunity here for you to have gone, look at everything I'm doing. And as I said, you are doing the work. You're just not letting the world see. And this is kind of the mantra that I'm trying to get across to people. Most of you are doing the work. Even like people going through boot camps, things like that, you're doing a lot of work. Let the world see it. So I hope this has been of value. If you've got any questions, please reach out to me. If anybody else wants a review, please visit the Crushing Digital website and request your review. It's free and they're all posted on YouTube. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.